Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. For those who are joining me today, welcome aboard. And in today's recipe, I'm going to make a special, kind of like a special curry powder, which is called Masala curry powder. Masala means those who are Caucasian. In Malaysia, that's what they call white people as Masala. So today and recently, I found a copycat version of a curry powder which was copied and sold in the grocery store, in an American grocery store, and I'm recreating this video again. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen to see how this has been made. It is truly funny to see this curry powder which has been copycat by the Masala, and now I am recreating it with an Indian twist with more detail and extra ingredients. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen and see how this curry powder is to be made. To begin our masala powder, which is called the Masala masala powder. Why I call that? We have the list of ingredients as you see in the description, not only in the description box in the previous slides. What are the ingredients that needs to be used. So for that, we will start off with 2 tablespoons of coriander seed on a medium flame. I have already preheat the stove to medium heat, and now the wok is pretty warm, and with that we will roast this and put it aside. So we have to do like certain spices separately, and certain spices which roast quickly, we can do it in a lower flame. So for that, I'm going to roast this. As you can see, what are the ingredients that I'm going to roast now? I'm starting off with coriander seeds, so we will roast this until it fragrance. Then after that, and changes its color, then we can put off this coriander seeds. Then we can do the next one. And our black peppers are also been roasted, so now we can transfer this into a different plate, and then we will go with the next ingredient. Our next ingredient, which is 2 ingredients, which is cinnamon sticks and also cardamom pods. It's about 5 pods I'm using. So we will roast this until it becomes fragrant, and we will add into the tray again so that it will cool off. And now our cardamom and cinnamon sticks has been roasted also. We can put this on the cooling tray. And our next ingredient is dried chilies. I have 2 kinds of chilies, which is Kashmiri and regular chilies. And Kashmiris is for the coloring, and the regular chilies is for the spikes, for the heat. And with that, I will roast them until it becomes crispy. So now we will roast this. This is to remove all the moisture that is in the spices, and you can adjust your chilies according to your preference, because sometimes like some of the chilies are very hot. So I'm using the regular chili is pretty hot, and Kashmiri chilies gives out a beautiful vibrant red, but it is mild in its color, in its heat, so that you can give a try. So I will roast this until it changes its color a little bit, and then I will remove this to be cool off. And viewers, our chilies are also is roasted, so we can put it on the side. Make sure that you roast the chilies for a longer time so that you won't have any digestion issues. And with the same heat, we are going to roast the black mustard seed. We will roast this until it cracks, and you can hear the cracking sound. That means it's considered it is roasted. It is always good to roast it well before we use them for our dishes. And the mustard seed also has been roasted. Now we can transfer this to the plate to cool off. Wait for the temperature to cool off a little bit. I have reduced the heat from a medium to medium low. So then we are going to roast 3 ingredients at one time. So with that, also finally we will roast the curry leaves as well. And so until then, we will wait until the temperature cools off. As now the temperature has cooled off, so now we will roast 3 ingredients, which is fennel seeds and also fenugreek seeds. And this will roast very quick, so we have to continuously stir until if you see the fenugreek seeds and all of them changes its color, it's an indication that we can remove them. So we will continue roasting them, and I'll be back when it's ready. Our last ingredient to be roasted is curry leaves. And curry leaves, I'm not only roasting the leaves, but I'm also roasting the stems, because the stems also holds medical health benefits, so which equal to the curry leaves. And now we will roast this until it become crispy. As you can see, the curry leaves has been dehydrated, and it means it's well roasted, and it also can be crispy at some point, which you can see. And now we can remove this and cool it off for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. I would give a good 1 hour, so that after that I could start grinding. And so now this has been roasted. Now it's so beautifully, the colors look so vibrant to my eyes, and we have to wait for at least 1 hour to get it cool off. Then the next step is to grind them. So we will meet each other after 1 hour. And so I have also placed the dry powdered ingredients, turmeric, ginger powder and garlic powder on the side. And so then we will add all together and we will grind it into one round, and that's it. And now we cool it off, then we can store them in our bottle and we can use them, the curry powder. And this is called Masala curry powder. And so now the time is more than 1 hour, and it's already well cool. It's even cooler than what I have expected. And now we can add all the ingredients into a grinding jar and start grinding. So for this, now we will add the chilies, also the curry leaves, the cinnamon sticks, the cardamom, and also the rest of the ingredients we'll add together. So these are the spices now we are going to grind, and with that we will add garlic powder, ginger powder, and also turmeric powder. Now it's time to grind. So now our masala powder, which is ready, and so now we can transfer this into the tray and we can cool it off. I always like to hit a little bit so that it will not stick in the bottom. And dear viewers, our curry powder is ready, grounded, so now we have to cool it off. For that, now we can still add it into the container and keep it open for an hour at least. Then after that we can put it in the refrigerator for the long shelf life, and so after that we can use the curry powder in our cookings. And I'll be using the curry powders especially on stir-fried vegetables and so on. And so I'm going to add all the curry powder into the container with a label Masala curry powder. Curry powder is ready to be cool off, so I'm going to leave the lid on the side, and after 1 hour we will close it and we can stock it. And now it has already passed 1 hour, so it's time that we can close it and store it in our cooler. I always prefer to keep it in the cooler so that it will last for a long time. So thank you very much, dear viewers, for watching my channel, especially this copycat Masala curry powder, and I decided to make it for you. So thank you very much for watching my channel. I'm coming up with new videos as well. I'm not sure what am I going to show you next, but I'm coming up with some other great recipes as well. There are some of them are planned, and now we are coming there soon. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen.